Alright guys, still your guy Big Time from Double South, and we see they run this our CSS matter they go small. So the last videos now just showing how the CSS they be, how they call out to your HTML, how the link them and the rest like that. I also now understand that part understand all those parts where if you not get side the work there, just go watch the video again. You're not far from the one where you see now. Alright, so what I want to show now for this video now very simple stuff. I want to just show now how colors take the work for inside CSS. You get how they take the use color now for inside CSS. And this I don't talk small about them before, but I want to just go in depth now. Maybe just see how the thing they work. So to start now, what I could just do, I'll come this my HTML now. Then I'll just create H1. I'll create H1. Then I could say I want color this text. So what I could just do, I'll just say this now how color they work. You get, so you know, say by default now the color website city for the color website city go bring come outside for you now black. Now HTML go just surrender. Now your browser go bring come outside for you. So now the CSS now want to change the color. So what we go do now? We'll just come this our CSS file now. We'll say H1. Then this H1 now. Then what we go do? We go say color and red. You see how we say color, then we say red. So what would they do here? Be say would they use the color property for CSS now? Now be this way is this property now a color now. Then would they specify the color what we want to use for this particular H1 element? So first we target this H1 element now, which is what you are seeing now. Then we open this curly brace, and the next thing we say color, put the colon, we say red. Then you use your semicolon to enter. Always make sure say you enter like this, just like this now. So you don't target this H1 now. If I come here now, say make I create paragraph now. If I come here, say make I create paragraph. Might just see. I'll just use this lower if on this rubbish. You know, if I go back now, I see the color I see black now. You see also. So if I come back now, I target the paragraph. I feel come here and I go say color, and I go say make the color be blue. You see also. I say make the color be blue. So if I go back refresh now, you see the color does the blue now. Just like this now, that's supposed to work with color. But another type of color they give like the background color. On that one they be like the background color. That one I the color background. You get that one I the color background. Maybe you get one kind of box for here now. You want color that box, or you get one kind of section where be like maybe your contact now. You want just color that place, maybe just be red, and the text for there could be white, something like that. You want just color one kind. That one background color now you use. And what is the target now? You not use the background color now for this paragraph. If I come here now say make I use background color, I no go work. Now those div now they use background color for. So if I come here now say div, if I say div now, you know say this div, I take that for each person a container and IB. So if I say div now, I come here target div. I not go use color. I not go use color. I go say background color. Background. What they do me now? Background color. So I say background color. I make the background color be more say yellow. More say yellow. More go back. More say as it be. You see, I say it never show. Why? Because normally this div where you see so you know they actually they do anything for this as the answer put on now. You know they actually not be like the way this H1 be like say as you write H1 and put text for inside now, you can show something for you. You get. You know they actually they show. If I can now just type any text now, just type rubbish here now. So if I refresh now, you see another thing they come up because contents now don't for inside. If not it inside by default now, it not go show. But if you want me to show by default, I you go do you just come now. After you put this background color now, you say make the width. Make the width be like 400 pixel. Then make the height be 600 pixel. Make the height be 600 pixel. You see? So now, I now will put it for inside the bet. Based on the specify width and height, give the guy now. It does the show for me now. If you not specify width and height, I not go show unless say content now different inside this place, or let's say it types something inside here now. Now that's an I go show. So if I come here now say maybe this paragraph now. I'm see now. I will see also. If I call now, okay, I just type something now. I just type something. I just say, man, this is a boy. Yeah, this is a boy. So if I go back to my browser, it doesn't say they show black for inside here now. Background color now, it affects. They affect the text, so they affect the contents then. What they inside? What did they affect now? It affects the container itself because this div now a container now where they contain all these things where they put for inside. So this is what you put for inside now. So they inside this div container now. You get so background color now. They affect all this text then. It only they affect the container itself. You get it only affect the container itself. You just imagine the container like your compound now. Your compound now. So you paint the outside white. That white standard what people they see. You know me say all your shell for inside now are white. Unless say you go to specify say all the shell inside your compound now, inside your ass now, you want to make all of them be white and make them get the fair color. You guess now. So I think inside this div now, say okay, I want now make the color for inside the div now. Make the color be maybe more use red. Maybe green. I say make the color be green. So if I refresh now, it's not too sharp with I should see this here. The color is not green. More change the color again. More not use green. More use red. But see red go sharp for us now. So if I refresh now, you see I say it does show red now. So simple. This color now, just this property color now. If you have to color all this text now, you get. If you have to color your text and the rest now. But when you say background color now, so you didn't have to color the container itself. You see, you have to color the container itself. You get. So all this div now, section, all this article, footer, all those ones that we work on. Now we'll work with all those things later. But for now, we'll use this div, and this div now a container be. So for you to color the container now, you use background color. But for you to color the contents the way they say the container, you use color itself. You get now. You use color itself. So this other this container too. Another thing is as it specify width and height. So I say maybe the width be 400 pixels. I say maybe the height be 600 pixels. If I come out and I say I not specify and I if I come out, the thing will just be like this. What the thing they do for me now? It wrap the contents. You get it just wrap the content. So it go only big based on how many contents now I put for inside. I go make it expand. So if I come here now, I just copy all this many already here now. So I just copy and make plenty small. You see the container they big now based on the number of things where be like say I pack full inside now. Now they make the container they big. But if you want to make it big pass so. Make it big pass. So what you go do? You just need to come this place now. You need to specify width and height given. Then it go big pass. So you see, you need to specify width and height given. It go big pass. So another thing is, if you don't specify the width as I specify 400 pixels, you see and say all this your text now, you no go fit go reach the end the way this blue they go now. You no fit go reach the end. Now where you specify a reach now they go end because this guy now he dey inside this container, not the outside. Now inside the day. So now the height where you the width where like say you give this guy. Now that width now this is our container. So now you go to end this one now. Hopefully you understand this. If you don't understand, so guys I've talked here now. Just ask the question for the comment section. I go answer you once. So we'll go ahead here and the next video now I go see talk more on this color and I go see talk on some other 9 CSS properties for now. So I see me a guy big tank double south, and if you know so you like the video, just click the like button. If you not like click them again, then make you subscribe.